Hi again. This is the second video of my birds 2 video special. I guess. Thank you for watching if you actually are watching this. Well, this is going to be about storytelling, some of my experiences with birds. I'm going to start from my earliest experience to my most recent. Okay, my earliest experience is, I think I was about 5, maybe 4 years old. I was outside, I think, playing, and this bird just took a dump on my head. And I went inside, and I think my mom was laughing, and my brother was too. I think that happened now that, or it was a dream or something. But that's my earliest. Now let's kind of skip a couple of years to about maybe 9 years old. This one wasn't quite my experience. I had a cat at the time, and cat was around. I had a cat that time. I was around maybe 9 years old, and we were outside. Me and my mom and the cat. We're just outside, and this bird was coming from the back. Was flying from the back. My cat was right there. Picture is like, okay, it's flying backwards on my cat. Did a backflip trying to catch the bird, and I thought, wow, that was pretty freaking cool. I mean, the bird was coming from the back. How can you freaking tell? Wow. Okay. Never really had any more experiences with birds other than they shit on my car from then on until last year. Where I live right now, we have a big window, a big ass window. Almost like 3 windows, one big one and 2 small ones on the side. And birds just kind of crash into it. Yeah, just crash into the window. And that's just pretty freaking dumb. It's happened several times. It happened like 3 weeks ago, too. It's just dumb. Birds crashing on a window. 2 birds in 2 days crashed into that window. And then I had another sort of experience with them. This one's the weirdest one. I saw, well, okay, let me tell you. I was going to walk. I was going for a walk, and when I was leaving on my neighbor's fence, I saw 2 birds mating. Oh yeah, I saw 2 birds mating. And then it made me think. It kind of inspired me to think of something. Why not invent a new sex position? Yeah, bird style or birdie style. It's like doggy style, only the guy flaps his arms. But as I thought about it, it just kind of seemed weird, and no, just weird. I mean, you could try it out. Just kind of forget about it. Just kind of weird. Let's see. My mind's drawing to a blank. I think that's all the experiences I had. Well, I can't believe I actually saw 2 birds had mating. It was funny, That's the first time I've ever seen that happen. happened about 3 weeks ago. It was funny. I did not expect that at all. There you go. Those are my stories. Just stories about birds that I've had in life. Thank you for watching, and have a nice day. Who jacked off all over my pizza?